All right, guys, real quick, this is a short video that I'm going to be sharing how you can totally clean your credit report and get rid of negative accounts and negative items such as collections, charge-off accounts, yeah, evictions, judgments, even bankruptcies, student loan accounts, etc. Okay, and this is how you can do it for absolutely free, okay, without having to pay hundreds and thousands of dollars to credit repair companies to do so. All right, so this solution actually leverages AI, artificial intelligence, in order to do this for you in a very simple step-by-step way that I'm going to cover. Right, so the name of the solution is Fund Flow Credit Repair. You'll have a link to this website below this video to access it. As you can see here, all the fees versus traditional credit repair companies, it's free, right? It's free every single month. There's no setup fee, no monthly fee. However, you do have to pay a monthly fee of $29 for credit monitoring. Okay, now this allows you to keep a close eye on your credit report so that any negative items can actually be identified and pulled by the system so that we can help you you can get these negative items taken care of on your behalf. All right, now you can see some more information on the page, but I just want to walk you through how it works. Okay, so how it works, first step is you're going to just hit the get started button on the website. You're going to register, and then you're going to authorize the website to actually review your credit report. Okay, now it has to review your credit report so that it can then analyze and get that credit report in which all the lenders are going to take a look at when they want to extend you access to funding. Okay, so you're going to connect your report. The system is going to read your report and is going to use artificial intelligence to call out and identify all the negative items on your behalf. Once it analyzes and identifies those negative accounts, the artificial intelligence will now create a dispute letter on your behalf that you can actually send with a click of a button through the system. And then from that point on, all you have to do is to sit back, relax, and wait for results. Okay, you should get results in about 30 days, within 30 days of sending this out. And there's also steps for repeating the process and the slight chance that it's not taken care of during the first round of letters. Okay, also on this website there's also options to help you build your credit profile in case you're just starting off building your credit, or in case you want to build your credit and give it more history and more credibility. All right, so that's a quick video on how you can get negative items taken care of your credit by leveraging the power of AI. So click the link below, get on the website, get started today, and I'll see you on the top.